Welcome to Life, Death, and the Law, presented by the law firm of Deason, Garner, and Hansen, hosted by attorneys Sean Garner and Adam Hansen.
Yeah,
Good for him.
I think like a legal principle that you were saying was getting at the idea of the confrontation clause of the Constitution. Like in the Constitution, you have a right to confront your accusers in a court of law. So somebody can't just say, someone else told me this, and then that someone else just can't not appear in court. If they want to say it, they need to come here and testify. So you have the ability to question them yourself.
And
cross-examine them, right?
Right. And so that's what I was getting to. So you go back to the founding of our nation and the free speech principles that were ingrained into our Constitution. Do you think that the framers of the Constitution and the founders of our nation contemplated an idea where the concept of being able to say whatever you can or whatever you want without a voice or a face to that?
I don't know. Look at Jefferson and Adams. I mean, they went back and forth, slandering each other in the paper, but they still put their names on it. And a lot of the stuff that Jefferson was saying was not true. I mean, it was all.
Yeah, but the idea of a pen name has been around for a long time.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Mm-hmm. And I think that's what it conjures up. You think back then, what was a way that you could really smear somebody or give a outlandish opinion and without repercussion or with anonymity would be a pen name. Mm-hmm. And I'm sure that happened during the time that they were.
Like the 1700s burner account.
That's the first troll. Yeah, no kidding.
Absolutely. Okay, so they were aware of it. And they still said, no, we want free speech. That's what I go back to.
Mm-hmm.
But what do I know? I don't know the Constitution, like that guy said.
Yeah.
He's so right, that poster.
Yeah.
I should thumbs up and be like, I can't believe someone finally called him out on it.
Son of a gun. I knew it was you. Martine's just back. I know it.
Plot twist, it's Martine's burn account.
Yeah. I talked to Savannah about it, and she said, you should reply, thank you for the support.
Yeah. Thanks for the view.
There is a guy that we've got to go to break, but we'll talk about this a little bit more. But I follow on Instagram. It's Gordon Loves Jiu-Jitsu. This dude's a jiu-jitsu fighter from Texas. Why'd you make that face?
Because when I was at the sauna in the gym, these people were talking about him.
So, yeah, I started following him within the last month or so and kind of doing a backstory on him and finding, what is this guy about? And the reason I bring him up is because, he does not follow the principle of just ignoring the comments. He'll get in. If somebody says something that he doesn't like, he just goes at them. I'm like, you probably shouldn't say it that way or say it at all, but whatever. It's not going to ever go anywhere. That's my experience. Is when you start engaging in that type of a forum, it's like you're not going to win. You never win. It's not a winning scenario. It's a lose-lose. We got to go to break. This is Life, Death, and the Law. We'll be right back.
You're listening to Life, Death, and the Law, presented by Deason, Garner, and Hansen, the law firm that has been voted Yuma's best 6 years in a row.